If Linux files folder is missing on your Chromebook, then this video is for you. Here in this video, we are going to discuss how we can fix this issue. So with that being said, let's get started. First of all, make sure Linux development environment is set up on your Chromebook. To check, open Chromebook settings, click on About Chrome OS. Here look for Developers option and make sure Linux development environment is set up on your Chromebook. I already have a video on it, so I'll provide the video link in the I button, or you will get the video link in the description box. After that, try to restart your system. To restart, click on clock, Wi-Fi, battery icon, click on power button, then click on restart. Once done, simply open Files app and check for the Linux files folder. However, if it is missing, then you can simply click on three dot icon, then click on Show Hidden Files. And here you should get Linux files folder. Click on it, again click on three dot icon and unchecked Show Hidden Files option. And here we have the Linux files folder. So that's for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.